as 4 years ago. I'm just curious as a kid, because I'm a kid that time. I'm 18 years old. Nagbigo ako because I'm curious. Brian, hello. Guys, hello po sa lahat na nag-join. Sumasagot lang ako. And I want to explore, but hindi ako tumagal. Naka 5 months lang ako. Neo, hello. Good morning, Zen. Because of issues. I mean, I don't have issues, pero most of mga nakilala ko sa Bigos have issues, and then dadamay ako, ganun. Guiyu, me! Hi, CK. So, nagbalik ako Bigo. If you're going to ask, ba't ako bumalik ng Bigo ngayon? Because I think I grew as a person, and I'm more emotionally intelligent and self-aware than my old self. Hoy! Sumagot talaga siya!